सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु ta'ala ala Muhammad. Dawat Islami's publisher Maktabatul Madina's published booklet Bible Horse Rider says on page number 2 with reference of Tirmidhi, the beloved and blessed Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, on the day of Eidul Adha, no other good deed of men is dearer to Allah Azza wa Jal than shedding blood of sacrificial animal. On the day of judgment, the sacrificed animal will come with his horns, hair and hooves. Allah Azza wa Jal accepts the sacrifice before the blood of the sacrificed animal reaches the ground. Therefore, perform sacrifice wholeheartedly. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।